How to change your email address on Steam. So first, just open up your Steam and make sure that you are logged in on the correct account. Now once that's done, just simply click on Steam here on the top left, then click on settings. Once you're on settings, make sure that you are on the accounts page. And once you're on the accounts page, you will see here email address. So just simply click on the change email address option or button right here. Then it will bring you to this page where you could pick either if you have no longer have access to that email address, or if you just simply want to email or change the email. So if you want to just simply change your email, you just simply need to click on this email and account verification code to your current email. So click on that. Then it will bring you right here, and you just simply need to enter the verification code. So I have that verification code. You just simply need to click on continue and wait for it to load. And now as you can see, this is where you could change your email. You just simply need to click on change my email address and input the new email that you want. And now what you can do is just click on the change email, and it will send the verification code to your email where you will need to put it again or paste it again. And after that, your email will automatically be changed. And that's how you basically change your email address on Steam.